Today I'll be explaining internet, browser, websites and web page because most beginners use this every day but don't really understand how they work. Now let's make it very simple. Internet is a global system that connects computers all over the world. It allows information to travel from one place to the other. This information can travel from the United States to Nigeria to Afghanistan to every part of the world. What's a browser? A browser is what you use to access the internet. For example, we have browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and so on and so forth. What is a website? A website is a collection of pages that belongs to a business or an organization. So what is a web page? A web page is just one page inside a website, like home page, about page, contact us page, login page, register page, and so on and so forth. Simple example to this one is that internet is an entire city. See it as an entire city. Browser is just your car. So website is a building. Web page is a room inside that building. Now, here are some things that are important for business owners. If your business is not properly represented online with a good website, you are losing customers on a daily basis because people search online before they buy anything. As a web developer, I help businesses build strong, professional, and high-converting websites. I also teach beginners how this works. If you need help, you can contact me.